Well, welcome back to PBR Acres. Thanks for tuning in. So on this video, we are going to head out to we're heading out to camp. We're going to do a little bit of work on putting in some food plots. Actually, just prepping for food plots too. So come on along as we head out there and start tilling up the dirt a little bit and getting things ready to go. First things first, we got to get out there. So we're going to take the UTV out there. Jacob is ahead of me. I'm driving the UTV. He went through and he mowed everything up, and it's looking pretty dang good out there. Yeah, everything was pretty overgrown, but now he's got her knocked back a little bit. We haven't been able to get out there too much. It's been pretty wet this year. Everything's been flooded. You can see that everything is growing really fast out there. But here we go. He's got some mowing done there, and then I got the tiller ready to go here. So it kind of looks like it's tilled up there already, but what it is he just ran over that, put the mower blade all the way down, and he just kind of kept on going over it, and then he basically blew it into the taller weeds. So I'm gonna get this started. I'm gonna run the tiller through. We're gonna run this thing through there, a handful of times. And, I'm going to show Jacob how to do it because we have one more food plot that we're going to do. This is just our little mini one just to give her a try. So, all right, so we got little food plot is tilled up. We're going to let Jacob go and work on some other stuff here. All right, we're out in the field now. Yeah, it's pretty nice sunny day out here. It's staying near January, or it's almost July 1st this weekend, but we're getting a little bit done here on food plots this week. I know we're a little bit early, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a little tilling. Jacob came out to the field and he did. So here's our trail coming in from the woods. Kind of squared everything off in here. That's our main road going back into their stand, but then if we look around, we kind of cut around the apple trees. These apple trees are not doing the best. These deer are just eating them. I got to get them fenced off. I got to do something different, but anyway, Jacob made a square and then a trail all the way around the square, but so he's tilling right now. We're going to till this through a couple of times. That's going to be our big food plot. It's not going to be huge. So that food plot that he's doing right there, it's not going to be the biggest thing in the world, but we're going to go ahead, we're going to till it up right now. We're going to till it again in August. So you'll see that we'll be back out here running the tiller through one more time. I don't like messing with that Roundup. Roundup's kind of bad. My brother-in-law ended up with non-Hodgkin's lymphoma, and watching a big guy like that get cancer was pretty difficult. He's made it past all that, but still pretty dangerous stuff, and it came back. It was from Roundup. So we don't mess with that out here. We're just going to go ahead and till, run the tiller. We got a big old tiller there, so might as well use that. So this used to be a farm field years ago before they split it up. So over there, that's my neighbor's. He owns a sliver through here too. He's doing food plot stuff. I'm doing food plot stuff, and we're just trying to make this better back here. Anyway, yeah, this is going to be the bigger food plot here that we're going to do. I'm going to go ahead and till this through a couple of times. Come back in August, till it one more time, plant her down real good. But Jacob basically came out here, went through, cleaned all this grass up. We've been mowing this for a while. It's starting to come back as grass, better and better than the weeds every year. We're going to try one little test plot over here. And what we're going to do is I had some garden beans. And I don't know, just a bunch of stuff that I had from our garden that was left over. We're going to throw them in there. I'm going to throw down a little alfalfa, see what happens. See if it turns into anything, just to see if it'll grow out here. But and I threw some pumpkins in the mix.
So just a itty bitty little plot, just something to fart around with, see if anything comes up. You know, it's extra seeds and bought a couple seed packets, but I'll definitely be doing some good seed for that one over there. All right, we're gonna take off. We're gonna let Jacob go ahead. He's out there tilling away. We're gonna go back. He's gonna bring the tiller back with the tractor. I got some other stuff to take care of at camp, so he's gonna take care of that. When he's done, bring the tractor back in. We'll run this UTV out. We'll do that little bit of seeding out there, and yeah, we'll see what happens, and then we'll kind of get a final look at you know, how everything looks after he got things tilled up out there. But yeah, things are looking good. You know, we're doing everything we can to make some gains this year, bringing a deer in. Last year was our worst year ever of hunting out here. I mean, you know, there's been other years where we haven't shot deer, but there were years, you know, those same years we've seen tons and tons of doe and, you know, nubbers and whatever. We were looking for bucks, you know, and anyway, so we're gonna do what we can out here. I'm actually gonna take some seed back by my stand. You know, I did knock down a few, or I knocked down a few trees on the way out there, little saplings and stuff, but a lot of big trees come back down. The oaks are falling like crazy back there, so I am going to go ahead and I am going to be throwing just some annual rye in there, just to kind of help break up the soil a little bit and see if it'll grow. But yeah, if you got a little sunshine through the forest floor, it comes up pretty fast, you know, the weeds do, so I'm just going to give it a try. We'll see what happens. All right, I gotta drive this thing. Okay, so we're walking down the trail. We're heading over towards my old tree stand and the old shooting shack. One of these days we're gonna get out here, go through and get that roof put on correctly. Still gotta do that. You see a little bit of stuff sitting out here and getting kind of ready for bear hunting. You'll see that in a different video. But I kind of cleared things up out here a little bit. Got some sun. Now that I got that kind of cleared up in here, I'm gonna go ahead and sprinkle this rye all over. Heck, I'm just gonna see what happens, see if it'll come up, see if I can kind of bust up, you know, all the ferns and stuff. Just a little something different for them to eat. I do plan on at some point someday, I'd love to have a food plot out here, but we'll see. A lot of work, a lot of bugs. Bugs haven't been terrible. I did treat my pants and Jacob's pants and stuff that we're using out here, and my boots with that permethrin. I haven't had any issues with ticks. Flies are out a little bit, skeeters out a little bit, but yeah, we got enough DEET on to keep them at bay. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and sprinkle this around a little bit and go from there. Probably mentioned it's supposed to rain tonight, so hopefully all this stuff kind of gets knocked in the ground a little bit. Such cheap seed, you know. It's like something happens. I'm not too worried about it.
Now that everything's seeded down out there by my stand, it's time to go out to the field and hit the mini plot. So come along as we get that seeded down, and hopefully we get something to grow out there.
All right, what do you got there?
Some alfalfa.
Alfalfa. We're gonna throw a little alfalfa down. Go ahead and spread that around. So what I know about alfalfa is it'll usually take over a food plot or a field anyway. So don't be shy with this stuff. Grab a big handful. Let's get her on the ground so we can get her raked in. We're gonna put alfalfa down. I got some peas. I got some garden stuff.
I'm not sure what these are. These peas are?
Okay, that's what we had left over from the garden. There's a little bit of everything. Just kind of toss them around quick. I think we had peas in there. We had beans. God, I don't know. There's all kinds of crap in there. Just leftover seeds from our regular at-home garden. See if any of this stuff germinates. It's supposed to rain tonight, maybe a little bit tomorrow. Later this week, it's supposed to rain. Might get lucky, might see the stuff come up, might have just made a mistake. I don't know. We'll be out here again here in a couple of weeks, or well, a month, I guess, when we do the big field. So Jacob got that pretty well tilled up. Looks like he's got a little bit more to go, but we're kind of running out of time here. So
Got some field peas.
field peas.
You saving any of these for out there?
I'll get more. I don't think I paid $12 for all what I got sitting here, bud. So we'll see what happens here with this stuff. The ground, the dirt actually seemed like there's quite a bit of black dirt in it. Pretty sandy out here, but this wasn't too bad. Pretty surprised. Even the stuff that Jacob was out there doing, I mean, that actually had some decent black dirt to it. They must have worked the soil up a little bit here. Told them not to go too deep, you know, because you get down to sand, then you just mix up the soils, and then it gets worse. Don't be shy with them peas. Throw them all over the place. Sprinkle them around. Hopefully the birds don't eat them all. What we're gonna do is we're just gonna kind of run garden rakes over it, and we'll just kind of walk around a little bit, see what happens. Don't have a cultipacker, don't have a roller out here. Just like that. No, just drag it. Just drag it, Jacob, because that's all you need to do. Just keep dragging it. Just walk around, drag it around with you. That's all we're gonna do.
We'll cover some more ground with this one.
You just want to kind of just turn the soil over just a little bit here. Still a lot of sod and stuff broke up from what was growing here before, so we just kind of cover up what we just put down. Maybe it'll grow. All right, good enough. I like it. Is that it?
That's everything.
We're done? Okay, let's load up that tiller. We gotta get out of here. We'll be back. We'll be back in a month to plant that down. Rototill the rest of that up.
Well, the mini plot is all it's all seeded down, ready to go. We did end up getting rain the day after and quite a bit right after that, so it's probably germinating out there. I have not been out there to check on the field. It is swampy. You'll see that in some of my upcoming videos where I'm out checking my bait for bear. It's flooded out there again. A lot of rain, but I'm thinking everything out there is probably high and dry and doing well. We'll see what happens, but wanted to thank everybody for watching and tuning into PBR Acres. We'll see you next time.